right, time to take a look at the WORKPRO Stubby wrench set. That's cool. So we got a nice case with it. Ooh, that's nice. They got a nice chrome look to it. They got a very smooth feel. To me, that's one of the things that really makes a premium wrench is the fact that it actually feels good in the hand. It's not super thin, so it's not going to be biting into your hand. It's got nice rounded edges, and it's got a nice thick jaw in here, so it's going to provide a lot of contact area for those fasteners. So I love seeing that. And this is the largest size in this set. This is a 19, and it goes down to an 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it skips no wrenches. We got everything from an 8 to a 19. So that's awesome. And if we take a look at that 8, nice tiny size. So it's going to be good to fit in small areas. And we still got a fairly thick jaw in there. And that slightly offset open end so that you're not going to be scraping your knuckles when you're turning it. So just to compare, this is a full size 19. So you can see how much smaller that is. This one is actually a little bit thicker than that full size 19. And you can definitely feel that in the wrench. Like this feels like a fairly heavy duty wrench. If you want to work up close to a fastener and you're just going to be spinning it like this, you got all this extra momentum here on the end that's going to be swinging back and forth and slowing you down. With this thing, you can basically palm the entire thing, and then you can spin that thing as fast as you can twist your wrist. So these things are great for that. If you're into doing work fast, this is the type of wrench that I always like to use. Now, of course, the benefit of a longer wrench is you're going to get more leverage. If you are using this and you need a little bit extra leverage, a nice little trick is you can just take another wrench, put it on there like that, and then you got all that extra length so that you can get more leverage on it. Always nice having a set like this. On top of that, these are going to take up so much less room, and you can even take all these things out and throw them in a little bag, and you can carry a full set of wrenches in a little pouch. So Stubby wrenches, 9 times out of 10, are my preferred style of wrench. Now, of course, if you're going to be dealing with fasteners that are very tight, then you need that extra length, but these things are just so handy. And also just being able to fit it inside of a tight area in case you have to work inside of like an engine bay or something like that, these things can really come in handy. If you're doing any kind of general assembly, this can make your life a lot easier. You usually got to put a little bit more oomph behind these things. You'll find you'll be able to work a lot quicker with them. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice set.